let us move to another important client-side based exploitation technique. In this video, we'll be covering Microsoft Office-based vulnerability. As we all know, Microsoft Office is a very popular tool across the Windows platform for creating and viewing Office documents such as Word files, presentations, and so on. Therefore, leveraging a vulnerability in this platform can increase our chances of penetrating our target successfully. So, here we'll be targeting the Microsoft Word RTF stack buffer overflow vulnerability that exists in parsing of the RTF documents. As you can see, this vulnerability affects all the latest versions of Microsoft Office, including 2010, 2007, 2003, and so on. If the Office pack is not patched up with the new definitions, we have a chance of compromising our target if the target is using a vulnerable version of Microsoft Office. So let's now turn to our Metasploit console and see how we can launch this attack. Since it's a file format-based vulnerability, we'll again be using MSF, use, exploit, Windows, file format, MS10, 087, RTF, pfragments, BOF. And now we can also do show options. As you can see, similar to our Adobe vulnerability, an RTF file, that is filename msf.rtf, will be created, which can easily be changed to some other name. Now let's set the payload. We'll now be requiring the L host again. Now we're done. So, all we have to do is run the exploit command and Metasploit will generate a vulnerable RTF file for us. This is the file that we're going to use as part of our penetration testing. It's very similar to the Adobe vulnerability, which we saw in the second video of this series. So the social engineering will be involved here to transfer this malicious RTF file to our target machine. Once the file is executed or opened through a vulnerable version of Microsoft Office, we can get a shell connectivity with our target machine. Alternatively, we can also set up a reverse handler. As we've discussed previously, we can carry out other regular penetration testing processes using the reverse handler. The reverse handler will always sit and listen for a connection at a particular port. Then a particular RTF file will be executed on our target machine. This is a very quick demonstration of how we can use a very popular Microsoft Office to build up a scenario for penetration testing our target machine.